57 degrees. So cold. I don't understand why it's got to be so cold. Like, it is June 1st and it is 57 degrees. Ridiculous. All right, now I got to go home and organize my house, my living room. And then I got to get that tank cleaned out because we got something special going in there. Oh, and I love our new fish tank. Now I think I just want to get a bigger filter for the top of the tank so I can add more water to it. And then we can use the filter that's in the big tank right now in the other tank.
What is that? Who is that? Where are those birdies? Where are those birdies? Where'd they go? What is that? Where's those birdies? Where are they? Say hi, guys. You just love me. I think you know already that I feed you, and when I come by, you think you're gonna get food. Is that what happens? Do you already know that I'm the one that gives you food? And then you see me and think I'm gonna give it to you all the time, you piggy? Huh? You think I'm gonna give it to you all the time? Food all the time? I just fed you not too long ago. The other one, he didn't get any yet. What?
Time to walk and drive. Time to run and drive. Down, 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 down. Time to die.
A really jazzy song right there. I like that
Real
song.
classic jazz.
That was some good jazz.
I don't- I don't see the other one. I took the entire thing up. Didn't even find it.
Is it when you get on the skateboard? You get on a skateboard, what do you want? You get a car?
They play this like the yellow sports car that is Tony Hawk, and I play Hawks. And then step up, step up, step up, step up. Oh, Dipper.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Dipper.
Was that cool?
Hey, everybody. Guys.
Good morning, guys.
Today's our field day.
Yep, today's field day for them.
And Noah. We're gonna have loads of fun today. No work involved today.
Yeah, I apparently forgot to show the temperature, so it's 68 degrees.
Neat.
It's not that bad outside. It looks like it's about to rain, though. So I really hope it doesn't rain for you guys for your field day.
I know, that would mess up totally.
Yeah, that would stink really bad.
Hey, guys. Say hi, guys. Look. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that monster of a cage that we just got our babies.
Baby birdies.
Yep, so let's go head on to it. Check this thing out. Yep, and we just got it built. I have to get all of their stuff into it. We're getting our carpet cleaned, so no more stains. Nobody out to look at any more stains. We're getting our carpets cleaned. But look how cool these doors are. I was using, and they stay open. I don't know if you can see that, but and they stay open. So they can, now I just got to put the perches and everything in and all their toys. I mean, here. This is how tall it is. And I'm 5'8". And it comes almost up to my shoulders. Yeah, it's a breeding cage, technically. But I'm really hoping that one of them are a boy and one is a girl. All right, who says I should get him? Right there.
This guy can fly right here.
Hi, buddy. You want to go home with me, don't you? Do you want to go home with me? Did you see him say yes? Do you want to go home with me? Hi, buddy. Casper. Hi, buddy. Oh, you are so cute.
He just sees the camera. That's all he sees.
He was doing this before the camera.
No.
Yes, he was. You want to come see me, don't you? Hi, buddy. Do you want to go on my finger so bad? Do you want to go on my finger so bad? Hi, buddy. Oh, you sure are pretty. You sure are pretty. I'm gonna work on him. You want me to? Tell him.
Look, I'm getting this one and getting some ghost shrimp.
Tell him.
That's not what we came here for.
This is. Hi, buddy. Can you do tricks?
But we should definitely go get the ghost shrimp first, and then we'll walk back this way.
Can you do tricks? Are you a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird?
He wants to come on.
Hi, buddy.
Come look at me. Say hi.
All right, yep, this one's going home with us for sure.
He's a boy.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. What are you doing?
I'm scaring him.
No, he's eating the bark.
He was doing just fine.
Hi, oh,
He's flexing on you now.
hi, buddy.
Oh, he just pooped. He pooped a little. But come on now, look at his eyes. There's one handsome bird right there. Right up. She's gonna be so excited.
Are you want to go see your friend?
Which one was it, Juliet?
Yep.
Juliet's friend. So Juliet.
Yeah,
and
we're gonna
Sam-
take him home too.
Sam and Juliet. And Dean and Sean.
Hi, buddy. Do you want to go home with us? Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Oh, I don't even have you in. There you are. Hi, buddy. Why you so pretty? Hi, buddy. Why so pretty? Who's so pretty? Kiss, kiss, Sean. You be nice. You be nice. You meeting your friends for the first time? You meeting your friends? Actually, not the first time, guys. Me and my husband went back to the pet store, and this is the birdie from the first day that was madly in love with Juliet. So, actually, I will bleep out Juliet. I will bleep out that name because I have not introduced them yet. So we can now do a formal introducing of all of them. So let me introduce you to Juliet. Say hi, Juliet. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. And then this is the second bird. I mean, this is from the first day. This is Sean. So we have Sean and Juliet. There you go. Say hi. He said hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yep. So comment below if you know what show that we took their names from. So this beauty right here is Dean. And this blue one with his back to us, who won't turn around, is Sam.
Okay,
So comment below if you know what show they came from. Do you see a kind of theme that we're going with here? Sean, is that your new friends? So we went back and got him. So these two are boys. And then Sean, who we thought was a boy, we're about 95% sure that that's a girl. So we think Sean and Juliet are girls, but Sean can be a boy or a girl name, so, you know, just to us, it'll be just, you know, representing the show. But, you know, Sean is a girl's name as well. And then same with Sam. We're not 100% sure it's a boy, but we are, like, again, 95% sure it's a boy. But if it turns out to be a girl, Sam is also a girl's name, too. And that's Dean, and he's a little older than these guys. I believe that these three are from the same, they're at least from the same store, same, you know, they're around the same age and stuff. I'm not sure if they came exactly from the same mother, but they at least were together. And then him we got somewhere else, so he's a little bit older, I think, probably only a couple of months. But yeah, so these are our new kids.
They're on the block.
So then this makes us
13.
a family of 13. Yep. I don't know, I love them all already so much. And I'm definitely making some progress with her. She is definitely trusting me a lot more. I'm still working with him. This little blue one right here, Sam, he took to me right away. Right away, put his beak up to my nose, and then I, you know, kind of gave him Eskimo kisses, and he just sat there and loved it. So he's going to trust me right away, I think. This one, not so much. Definitely going to have to work with him a lot, because he hasn't really had too much adult interaction. Like you step up? You step up? You want to step up? I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. You want to step up? See, the thing is, he flies already. So I can't really let him out until he knows me. He has to at least know me before I let him out. And I mean, we literally just got him a few hours ago, so we'll get there.